Hey fam, welcome to the third episode of Victology Hub 1.0. Today we're diving into one of the strangest mysteries of outer space. Did you know our entire solar system had printing? What if future astronaut tell you a black hole was found? Our entire solar system entanglement is basically state and building the future. And that is to know, what does it actually smell like out there? Burnt steak, gunpowder, or raspberries? Stick around because the truth is wild. What does space smells like? Let's start with a fun space reality check. Space is a vacuum. That means it has no air. And technically, you can't smell anything without air molecules passing the scent to your nose. But you know what's strange? Astronauts returning from spacewalks have reported a very distinct smell on their suits, airlocks, and tools. So what's going on here? Let's check the first-hand accounts of NASA astronauts. When astronauts remove their helmets in the ISS or the International Space Stations, they've often mentioned a strange aroma clinging to their suits. What kind of smell? Burnt steak? Welding fumes? Hot metal or seared meat? Or like the air after a fireworks show? Chris Hadfield, a retired Canadian astronaut, described it as sulfurous or metallic. Other astronauts say that it reminds them of spent gunpowder or ozone. Now let's find out the science behind the smell. So why does space smell like that? The answer lies in the chemistry. When high-energy ultraviolet radiation bombards spacecraft surfaces and spacesuits, it creates reactive atomic oxygen. And when astronauts return inside, these atoms mix with the oxygen-rich environment, triggering a distinct chemical reaction, and thus a smell. Basically, you're sniffing the after effect of space's brutal radiation on metal and materials. But wait, it gets weirder. In 2009, scientists studied the Sagittarius B2 cloud, a massive dust cloud near the center of our galaxy, found something incredible. Traces of ethyl formate. And you know what? That's the chemical that gives raspberries their smell and rum its flavor. So yes, technically we can say that space smells like fruity rum. But wait, don't go packing a straw. It's also laced with toxic gases and intense radiation. Let me share a fun fact with you now. NASA even recreated the scent of space for astronaut training. The goal to prepare astronauts for what they'd experience post-spacewalk. This replica scent eventually hit the Kickstarter under the name UD Space, marketed so the rest of us Earthlings could take a whiff of the final frontier. And yes, it still smells like burnt steak. So why does it matter? Basically, this bizarre scent isn't just a mere space fact. It's a reminder of how different and hostile our universe can be outside our cozy little blue planet. The smell of space tells us about the chemistry of stars, cosmic dust, and the raw power of radiation. It's not just art, it's cosmic science in action. So now you know, space smells like burnt steaks, welding fumes, or even raspberries. But only if you survive the vacuum first. So finally, thanks for watching. Now you tell me which part of the space smell surprised you the most. Drop your favorite fact in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more science fact mysteries and turn on the bell so you never miss a trip beyond Earth. For more mind-blowing and intriguing facts, keep following Victology Hub 1.0. Keep thinking.